Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego bulldozer. So without further ado, let's get into it. So now take these pieces and place them beneath the 2x4. Next, take this piece and place it here. Then this, left, and this. Then take this piece and place it under this. Then take this two and place it up here. And take a 1x1 stud. After that, take this grill piece and place it here, and take this and place it here. Then take this and a 1x1 stud, place it like this. Then put this aside and take these two, then two of these. Then take this again, place it in the middle, and then take these and 1x2 and take a 1x3 tile and place it in the middle, and two 1x1 tiles in the corner, and it goes right here at the front. And take a 1x1 edge or slope piece, then take your two of these and two of these and put them in here and stick it like this. Like this. Then take this snot piece, this clear black edge piece, like this, and put it here, and take this and two of these, and an extra 1x1 stud on the top, and the wheels now. So here you have yourselves a Lego bulldozer. So if you liked the video, So subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and share it and like. So see you
See you
later.
later.
Bye bye.